Every cake begins long before the oven. Flour starts as harvested grain.
Sweetness has agricultural roots. Moisture and richness are sourced fresh.
Structure begins with eggs.
Stats define texture.
Ingredients weighed at scale.
Prepared for industrial precision. Now, everything moves toward one destination.
Scale begins with synchronized movement. Every route is planned. The boundary of production approaches.
Control starts before entry.
Every kilogram is verified.
Efficiency begins with direction.
Arrival without disruption.
The outside world stays outside. Now, production truly begins. This is where baking becomes industrial.
Every movement follows a system.
Ingredients cross the threshold.
Clean entry protects every product.
Ingredients disappear into the system. Production observed in real time. Scale defines modern baking.
Precision begins before mixing. Before baking, everything is purified.
Purity begins with separation. Only uniform grains move forward. Clean liquids build consistency.
Safety is verified instantly.
Texture starts with refinement.
Only approved inputs advance.
Stability before mixing.
Balance is engineered.
Now, ingredients become batter.
Mixing turns components into structure.
Consistency is maintained without pause. Consistency is maintained without pause.
Temperature controls texture.
Every batch is measured in real time.
Air builds softness.
Stability before baking.
Precision defines volume.
Millions portioned perfectly.
Now, heat completes the transformation.
Heat activates the science of baking.
Millions rise at the same moment.
Moisture escapes, structure remains. Texture forms in seconds.
Baking ends, cooling begins.
Temperature settles the structure.
Form locks into place.
Ready to leave their molds.
The cake now stands alone.
Automation maintains relentless rhythm. Every surface is verified.
Imperfection never slows production.
Consistency measured in grams.
Machines correct faster than humans. One room controls the entire flow. Orientation perfected automatically. Finish applied with precision.
Now, refinement takes over.
Uniformity begins at the surface. Nothing goes to waste. Flavor delivered with accuracy. Balance is constantly verified. Layers meet without error. Shape refined to exact lines. Finish becomes flawless. Details define the final look. Now, perfection is tested.
Human eyes confirm machine precision.
Every angle tells the truth. Dimensions locked to tolerance. Weight verifies consistency. Inside matters as much as outside.
Safety is tested beyond sight.
Standards are scientifically proven.
Only approved cakes move forward.
Cleared for final handling. Precision meets speed in the final stage.
Every pack is measured and secured.
Order emerges from repetition. Presentation matches production quality. Ready for delivery worldwide.
Logistics complete the journey. And this is how modern factories produce millions of cakes every day. Every cake traced back to precise orchestration.
The story of production revealed.